Hey techies, welcome or welcome back to K Talks Tech. I'm Kay, let's talk tech. You know what's on my mind today is imposter syndrome. I'm hearing it more and more for some reason, but I really shouldn't say for some reason because I actually do know the reason. The reason is that the more senior people who would mentor the more junior people have been laid off so that the company could save a dime, and it's I think it's penny wise and dollar foolish. You've shot yourself in the foot and diminished your ability to deliver on business value, and it's going to take you longer. Um, and what you get may not be correct because it takes some time through career experience to understand how you go about doing certain things and what steps you take, what steps you avoid in a project. And the people who know that don't work at your company anymore. Um, and I see the stress that people are going through with this imposter syndrome thing. Um, So now I'm going to talk about something very self-serving. If you have imposter syndrome, if you're struggling in your current environment, if you are unemployed and you don't know what to do next and it's getting to be kind of long in the tooth for you and money is running low, or you don't know, how to change your situation, I would suggest that you get a coach. And yeah, that type of coaching is going to cost you some money. Um, and I'm such a coach. I've been in tech for 40 years. I've worked in most of the jobs related to software development. I'm a certified everything PMP, Safe, Agile, Product Owner, Product Manager, Scrum Master, um, and process and analysis with the Six Sigma Green Belt. So I do have experience in all of those things that I just named, right? In addition to the certification. So um, if you need help, go to my website, kaetalkstech.com, and go on to the contact page and talk about what you need help with. We can do a free consultation. Just to make sure that I can actually help you. And if you want the help, then I can come up with some fairly reasonable packages to help you on your journey. All right, that's it. That's all I have for you today. I really hate seeing people struggle. Yeah, I'm a coach and I'm trying to make money, but I really want to help people because I've been there. And you really didn't have any coaches to reach out to. So that's it. That's all I have for you today. Like the video, share the video, follow me on TikTok or YouTube. And then in one of those places, come on back where we will continue at another time when we'll continue to talk tech. Bye.